Hey there, homeowners and DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to Bryton the Realtor channel. Today we're diving into a topic that can significantly impact the value of your home, interior renovations. Join me as we explore some key renovations that can enhance your home's value and appeal to potential buyers. I'm Bryton Daniel, your trusted advisor in real estate, and I'm excited to share these valuable insights with you. Let's get started. Before we jump into specific renovations, let's talk about why interior upgrades are essential for increasing your home's value. Upgrading key areas of your home can not only enhance its aesthetic appeal, but also improve functionality, energy efficiency, and overall desirability. Now, let's discuss some interior renovations that can boost your home's value. Kitchen remodel. The kitchen is often considered the heart of the home. Upgrading outdated appliances, installing modern countertops and cabinetry, and adding stylish fixtures can significantly increase your home's value. Bathroom renovations. A fresh, updated bathroom can add tremendous value to your home. Consider upgrading fixtures, installing a new vanity, updating tile or flooring, and adding features like a walk-in shower or soaking tub. Flooring replacement. Old, worn-out flooring can detract from your home's overall appeal. Installing new hardwood, laminate, or tile flooring can instantly elevate the look and feel of your home and increase its value. Painting. A fresh coat of paint can work wonders in the transformation of your home look. Choose natural, modern colors that can appeal to a wide range of buyers and give your home a fresh, inviting feel. Lighting upgrades. Adequate lighting can make a significant difference in how your home is perceived. Consider upgrading light fixtures, adding recessed lighting, and maximizing natural light to create a bright, welcoming atmosphere. Thank you for joining me today as we explore interior renovations that can increase your home's value. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply looking to enhance your living space, these renovations can make a significant impact. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more real estate insight, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Until next time, happy renovating.